Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Laura with Down Home with Lemon Pie, and our newest box from Universal Yums just came in, and it's from Spain. Okay guys, welcome back. If you're brand new to my channel, I'm Laura Wilkie. I'm a Christian stay-at-home homeschool mom of 6 kiddos, and this school year we are doing My Father's World Exploring Countries and Cultures, and as an enrichment activity to go along with that, we signed up for the Universal Yums subscription box, which gives you a bunch of snacks every month from a different country. In some of my other videos, I kind of detail how that works and what we really liked about it, how we use it in our own home. But this video, I'm going to do a little bit differently. Guys, I'm so excited to share these with the kids. In this video, stay tuned. I'm going to show you what the kids think of all of these snacks. Look at the camera.
The snacks from Spain. Ooh. Hey, I just saw kangaroo. My turn. My turn. Oh, because he didn't do it real good.
All right.
So, what's today? What's today? Is it Mama?
Okay, guys, this is your Yum Box snacks from Spain.
But I can keep my head on the ground.
Are you excited?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
What's first?
Spicy mango gummies.
This is good. Maybe. I hope it's not totally spicy though. They probably think it's spicy because they have different taste buds than I. I normally like these because the smells smells. How about they smell tasty?
Okay, these are your spicy mango gummies.
Ron.
I don't want water fast. Mommy, I need my water.
There it is.
So, Mommy, this part is the best.
Those are a lot spicier than I was expecting.
They're good though.
They were good until that spice started kicking in.
Yeah, you know my best friend.
Marley loves spice.
Whew. Okay then.
But they're mango. Don't you love mango?
Yeah, mangoes are spicy. I did not know that. I don't like mango seasoning either. Here, you take these, Mama. I just hate them.
Okay, so
That
Molly?
was terrible. Love that.
Not
That
bigger,
was so
you
terrible. I
Layla,
hate them.
Owen,
Totally hate them.
Philly.
Hate. No, I said hate. Those are all smiley faces.
No, we're not. What are we talking about? Mommy?
I think they're okay.
You think they're okay? They're spicy.
Anyone else have any extra?
Shit, I do. Right here.
Thank you.
Spicy?
Are you ready for the next snack?
Yes. Yes, this is definitely ready for the next.
Lemon pepper chips.
Pepper? This is what time to do. I'll keep the gross load. Oh yeah. I was like, are these? Are these really spicy? And I was like, pepper.
Okay. Tell me what you think.
These are amazing. This is good. Really good. Tastes like lemon. Whoa. These taste kind of like they have salty, yummy. These are good. These are first like just real normal chips, and then they taste like lemon. Pretty good. I'm gonna do that for I had the rest.
You want the whole bag.
Can I have the rest?
Those are tasty.
Can I have rest?
You guys all like them?
More. Okay.
Oh, you think they're okay?
Love.
Love? Layla's okay? Philip and Owen?
Yeah. Give me food of them.
Mommy?
Yummy.
I
This
love
is
food.
cheese and bacon flavored snacks.
Just give me a smiley face already. Yeah, just give me a smiley face. Kind of smiling. Smell like hot chocolate.
Smell like hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate?
Can I eat?
Now.
Do you like them?
These are amazing. I say yes for that. Is that very good? Can you put 2 yeses? Like you?
Daddy doesn't like them? What do you guys think?
Good. Yeah, is there anyone give me some more?
Okay, here's what's next.
Is it gumdrops?
They're chocolate?
Chocolates. Toppers.
Yeah. Sounds crazy. Sounds poopy. Tastes bad. Excuse me.
Okay, we only have 2 chocolate toppers, so we're gonna have to cut them up for you guys.
Wah. That's okay. Ew. Big piece.
Okay.
I'm gonna love this so much. So I want a big piece, okay?
Hold on.
I want all of them.
All right, taste your chocolate topper.
This is amazing. More.
It is like a Rolo.
More.
Layla?
Oh yeah. Good. Perfect.
Billy?
Give me more.
Mommy?
They're good. Are you guys excited for this one?
Oh yeah. Gotta give me a smile face. Spicy. Gotta give me a smile face. It's okay. I like these, Daddy.
Okay, what do you think?
Hey, Daddy, give me a smile face. I told you.
They're like M&Ms.
Hey, I told you must give me a smile face.
Wait,
Huh?
they're like M&Ms but different.
More.
You want that?
I hate them. There's no more. I hate them.
Marley, what do you think?
They're okay.
Layla?
I don't really
Yummy.
Owen? Philip?
Didn't I take all Maurice?
All right, let's do pistachio candy.
I just want the chocolate and chocolate tastes.
Yeah, and we only have 2 of these, so we're gonna split them up.
Try now.
Try?
Yeah.
It tastes like caramel.
Oranges.
How do you like things?
Flavor.
You bite them like this. Okay?
Are they really hard?
I love caramel.
Are they?
Pretty good.
Layla?
Go.
Owen?
Yeah. Perfect.
Billy?
Boy. Yes,
Mama?
yes.
No.
You hate them?
Yeah.
Why?
Too hard.
What? They're sucky. They're so good. Oranges. Even if we're I'm doing mine too.
Oops, I already opened it. Here's the next one. That looks kind of gross.
I'm gonna probably hate that. Looks like cake. Oh, looks like a cake.
It is.
Wait, that's
It's
what I said.
cream-filled spice cake.
I like spice cake. I'll taste this right. Spicy. I'm the first one to try them. Daddy, might eat. Okay. Now going on the inside. Here's like.
Weird texture.
You should be in the video.
Sand.
It tastes like sand.
You say everything tastes like sand that's yellow.
Sand?
It's got sand in it. Too much sand from Spain.
Where did this come from?
Yeah, it came from the ocean.
Sand. Ew. What? Disgusting.
Ah, Marley?
They're pretty good. I like them.
Layla?
No,
Owen?
kind of.
Billy?
Sand.
So...
No.
No, yes, maybe.
No.
Mommy?
Nah. Marley, what was your favorite?
Probably the spicy mangoes.
Layla, what was your favorite?
Probably the. Beagles. I'm gonna click on this.
Oh, what was your favorite?
Beagles. Because it's so tasty.
Billy, what was your favorite?
My favorite was the African music. My favorite was
Weird homeschoolers here.
It's real
The
good.
Bugles? This one?
Yeah.
That was your favorite?
Okay, bye. Bye.
Say bye.